Welcome to day 4 of mastering the IELTS reading test. Today we're tackling the most time-consuming task in the IELTS reading exam, matching headings. If you feel like you're reading the same paragraph 5 times just to find a title, you're doing it wrong. To save time and boost your score, you need to master skill 4. Most students fail because they look for a word in the heading that also appears in the paragraph. The IELTS examiners know this. They will put the word education in a paragraph about employment just to trick you into picking the wrong heading. Matching heading is about themes, not keywords. Think of matching headings like naming the chapters of a book. You don't name a chapter based on one sentence. You name it based on what the whole chapter is trying to say. You're looking for the umbrella that covers every sentence in the paragraph. Here are some tips and tricks for heading success. First, do it first. Don't wait until the end of the section. Matching headings gives you a mental map of the whole text, which makes the other questions like gap fill much easier to find later. Number 2, the topic sentence secret. 80% of the time, the main idea is in the first or second sentence. If it's not there, check the very last sentence or the conclusion, so you can find it there too. Number 3, ignore the distractors. There are always more headings than paragraphs. If there are 5 paragraphs, there might be 8 headings. So, cross out the ones you use as you go. Read the heading first. Quickly scan the list of headings to see what topics the text will cover before you start reading the paragraphs. Now let's do the example. So I have a list of headings here. Look at the headings. Okay, so hopefully you've got like an idea about what the paragraph is. Now look at the paragraph. All right, let's discuss. So, the correct heading is number 2, early methods of indoor lighting. The paragraph mentions candles and oil lamps, so that actually the early methods, and their use inside the household, indoors. The first heading is wrong because it mentions electricity, which isn't the main focus here. There are some tips for speed. The one-sentence summary. After reading a paragraph, try to summarize it in your own words in just 3 words. For example, history of light. Then look for the heading that matches your summary. Another tip is work with the easiest first. If paragraph B is obviously about future trends, match it and move on. Don't get stuck on a difficult paragraph. Now it's your turn. Which heading matches this paragraph? Vote A, B, or C in the comments. Look at the list of headings. Okay, now read the paragraph. Write your answer in the comment section below. And if you're tired of guessing and want to see your actual predicted score, go to test.iatlaz.com and check our prediction test, which can totally help you improve your band score. And that's it. Day 4 is done. You're halfway through the reading week. Hit the follow button for day 5, where we tackle summary completion and gap fills. And don't forget to hit like if you avoided the keyword trap, and see you!